Today on Curtis Orchard Cooking with Kids, we're going to make pork chop, topped with garlic herb butter from Simply Spice, locally made in Arthur, Illinois. Put a little butter in your pan and then put in your pork chops. We're going to put about a tablespoon worth on our pork chops. Putting it on there.
And you can spread it out with your spoon.
There's lots of flavor in the herb butter to give the pork chops flavor too. You can just spread this out a little bit so there's chunks all around the pork chops. Now bake at 375 for 10 to 30 minutes depending how thick your pork chops are. Cook it to 145 exactly. After you remove it from the oven, let it rest for 5 minutes.
We decided to bake one in the oven and to put some on the grill, just to compare the two flavors from different means of cooking. Looks delicious.
Now I'm going to try our garlic herb butter pork chops. First I'm going to try the oven baked, then I'll try the grilled. This one is definitely chewier I feel like, and this one's like more smooth when I'm eating it. But they're both really good. I love the herb butter on top, and they all taste really good all together. I'm gonna try the baked first. I'm gonna try the grilled. Now I'm gonna try the grilled one. I like the grilled smoke one a little bit better than that.